It's 3:15 on September 28th, Saturday. We've been working on this all morning. I have gotten the back cabinet and the bunk semi-removed. I just have to be able to move stuff around to get it out. I removed the bathroom walls. It revealed a little bit more of the water damage, but kind of what we already knew. The big surprise this morning was this. There was a fresh piece of material similar to this, just patched over this area. It looked brand new, so I'm suspecting it might have gone in when the carpet went in. The good news is, though, I don't feel a lot of moisture, so hopefully the seals on the outside have been improved upon and it's not still leaking. Corey's been working on the front end of the trailer. Say hi, Corey. Hey. You can see what he's doing. That's some nasty. This whole thing is quite rotted. So we're doing what we can with that. Yeah. We're trying to keep our spirits up. It's
all good.
Yeah.
We're having fun.
We're having a blast.
This is awesome.
I love the sore throat from all the mold and nasty. Don't you?
I think I saw some pink earlier, so maybe we're getting some anthrax.
Oh. I wonder who's going to inherit this mess when we both are found dead in this thing. Yeah. Lupa will inherit it. What a flippin' mess.